like, comment and subscribe this YouTube channel.
Gray hair treatment. Each one of us want to stay young forever, but no one can stop the flow of time. The aging of skin and graying of hair are the two most evident signs of aging. Remedy 1. Ingredients you need. Honey 1 spoon. 1 spoon of ginger. Mix ginger with honey and take it every morning. Remedy 2. Ingredients you need. Coconut oil 1/4 cup. 1 lemon. Take 1/4 cup of coconut oil and juice of a lemon. Mix them well and apply them to scalp and get black and shiny hair. Use this tip daily. Go to billyhealth.com to know more about gray hair treatment.